I have trained over 200 people on how to flip land and houses using no money or credit. And these are the 5 essential elements to every land flipping business that you're definitely going to need to be successful. The first one is picking the right market. Picking the right market is essential. It's where your foundation is built, and having the right market will be critical when you're building your business to flip land. The second thing you're gonna need is a strong buyer's list. Having a buyer's list is definitely the most important aspect of this business. You do not wanna start looking for deals without having buyers first. One of the worst things you can do is have a strong deal, but don't have any buyers to buy that deal from you. So definitely building a buyer's list is gonna, one, make the business much easier. You're gonna sell your deals a lot faster, and you're gonna take a lot of stress off yourself. The third element that you're gonna want is a good title company on your side. Having a really good title company will be the difference between closing deals and not closing deals. Trust me, we've made the mistake of getting bad title companies that really didn't know what they were doing, and we paid a lot of money for those mistakes. So having the right title company is really important, along with having the right purchase contracts and agreements. Just having a generic contract off of the internet is not a really good idea. You want to make sure you have a purchase contract that protects you as the investor and also secures your deal from being stolen by other investors. Now, the fifth element is a good way to find your sellers. Without sellers, you're not gonna have any deals, and without any deals, you're not gonna have any closings, and without closings, you're not gonna have any money in your pocket. So having a good way to find sellers is really important with this business. If you wanna know exactly how to find sellers, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. We're gonna have videos being uploaded soon that will walk you through how to find motivated sellers for your land or house flipping business. Now, as always, please like and subscribe to this channel if you found any value in this. And also, if you have any questions, feel free to text me here. And if you want to join the one-on-one coaching program that I have available, you can text LAND to this phone number.